everyone. I'm here to let you all know that Pour Up Atlanta is now offering virtual cocktail mixing parties. These parties are interactive, fun, and private experiences that provide knowledge about the basics of home bartending. During this party, you'll learn how to create a cocktail of your choice and be able to mix like a pro with me, Raven, Chief Mixologist of Pour Up Atlanta. You'll walk away with brand new skills like how to shake, muddle, strain, and pour some of your favorite cocktails with fresh ingredients that are already in your home. These virtual parties are perfect for birthday celebrations, bachelorette parties, group date nights, corporate gatherings, and happy hours, and really anything. So, visit pourupatlanta.com today to request your quote for your virtual cocktail party. Don't forget to check out all of our content on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, and visit our website at pourupatlanta.com to request a quote for your virtual cocktail party. And we look forward to working with you.